Hey everybody, coming at you with another hard reset. Today we are going to do the Orbic Myra 5G from Verizon. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'm going to show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do one of these, you will delete everything off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And lastly, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, but this one is going to be pretty easy. So in this case, we want to make sure the phone's off, which it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. And what we want to do is grab your handy dandy charger cable, have it either connected to the wall or your computer, whichever or is fine, both ways work. And we want to hold volume up while we plug the charger in when the phone is off. Plug it in. And it gets us right to our Android recovery, super fast, which is awesome. Unplug the charger. From here, you can use your volume buttons to scroll. Power button is to select. So we want to go to Wipe Data Factory Reset, hit the power button, and confirm again, hit the power button. One thing I don't like on this phone is look at the separation between the volume buttons and the power buttons. It's really like far. Usually they're a little bit closer together. Not a fan of that. But from here, we can either power off the phone or reboot it. In this case, I'm just going to power it off because all the data has been deleted. If you do reboot it, it loads to the welcome screen, and you can set up the phone how it was when it was new. But that is how you do a hard reset on a Orbic Myra 5G from Verizon. Hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, we definitely appreciate all the feedback we get. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.